After a dominating group stage, Afghanistan ran into an in-form India in their first match in the Super 8s and lost by 47 runs. In their second Super 8 clash, they meet Australia, another formidable opponent who are playing spectacular cricket in the 2024 T20 World Cup. To stay in contention in the tournament, Afghanistan needs to rise up to the occasion and put up a spirited show. For more such insights on this Afghanistan vs Australia Super 8 clash on Sunday, tune into the video. Afghanistan are no minnows in the T20 format, and Australia should keep that in mind when they clash in a Super 8 match on Sunday at Arnos Vale Stadium in Kingstown, St. Winston. Afghanistan have lost 2 matches in the 2024 T20 World Cup so far, and the match against Australia is really crucial. Arnos Vale स्टेडियम किंग्सटाउन सेंट विंस्टन ने 2024 T20 वर्ल्ड कप में 3 मैचेस होस्ट किए हैं। इस टूर्नामेंट में जिन टीम्स ने टॉस जीतकर पहले फील्डिंग करने का फैसला किया, उनका टॉस विन मैच विन परसेंटेज 50 है। इस वेन्यू पे एवरेज फर्स्ट इनिंग का टोटल 126 है और सेकेंड इनिंग्स का एवरेज स्कोर 111 है। पिच हार्ड है और ट्रू बाउंस देती है, इसलिए हिट द डेक बॉलर्स को यहाँ काफ़ी मदद मिलेगी। मिडिल ओवर्स में स्पिनर्स को भी ग्रिप मिलेगा। पिच टू पेस्ड नहीं है, इसलिए बैटर्स अपने शॉट्स खुलकर खेल सकते हैं। इस वेन्यू पे हाईएस्ट स्कोर 159 है और लोएस्ट 85। Australia would stick to their playing 11 with Cummins, Stark and Hazelwood leading the bowling attack. Afghanistan are also going to field the same playing 11 that turned up against India. Afghanistan and Australia have clashed only once in the T20Is, and that too in 2022 T20 World Cup in Adelaide. Australia won that match by 4 runs. Marcus Stoinis has been in brilliant form with the bat and has been one of the leading run scorers in the tournament. He's a crucial player in the middle order, and when needed, he has the ability to switch gears. Adam Zampa has been in top form in the 2024 T20 World Cup, and most importantly, he has been aggressive in getting the breakthroughs for Australia at crucial junctures. Rahmanullah Gurbaz is in brilliant touch in the T20 World Cup and opening the innings for Afghanistan. His contribution has been immense with the bat. He's one of the top run scorers in this edition of the T20 World Cup with 178 runs in 5 matches. With 15 wickets in 5 matches, Fazal Haq Farooqi is leading the wickets tally in the 2024 T20 World Cup. Afghanistan would expect him to make an impact against Australia. Rahmanullah Gurbaz has been dismissed thrice by pacers in this T20 World Cup. He has scored 111 runs off 71 balls bowled by fast bowlers in 4 innings. He would have his task cut out against the 3 Aussie quicks. Glenn Maxwell has not been comfortable facing spin in the 2024 T20 World Cup and has been dismissed twice. Maxwell against spin has scored 18 runs in 2 innings. Rashid Khan can pose a threat to the big hitting all-rounder. One of the top run scorers in this edition of the T20 World Cup, Travis Head, for the kind of form he's in, would be the top pick from Australia. Matthew Wade would be an avoid pick because of his form and the position he bats in the batting order. In the tournament, he hasn't much of an opportunity to spend time in the middle. Rashid Khan is a no-brainer because of his wicket-taking ability and has the ability to play the long handle down the order. He too is a gun fielder and would be the hot pick for Afghanistan. Najibullah Jadran in the middle order has failed to score runs in the last couple of matches and would be an avoid pick from Afghanistan. Australia will start as favourites given their form in the tournament so far. The pitch will suit their fast bowlers Stark, Cummins and Hazlewood. Australia's batting, top of the order, is too strong. Australia have 90% chance to beat Afghanistan. Travis Head, because of his form and ability to score fluently, makes him a good captaincy choice. While for the vice captaincy pick, Afghanistan's Rashid Khan would be a great pick. और आखिर में ये है हमारी फैंटेसी 11 जिसमें 5 अफगानिस्तान के प्लेयर्स और 6 ऑजी प्लेयर्स हैं। बॉलर्स होंगे पैट कमिंस, राशिद खान और फजल हक फारूकी और टीम में 3 ऑलराउंडर्स भी हैं। राशिद ने आदम जैम्पा को 11 में जगह से इसलिए पीछे छोड़ दिया क्योंकि वो नीचे ऑर्डर में बड़ी हिटिंग कर सकता है। बैकअप प्लेयर्स हैं गुलबदीन नाइब, एडम जैम्पा और करीम जन्नत।